Do you want to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in just 15 days? Doesn't that sound like an exciting challenge? Well, it's certainly possible. And today, we're going to explore exactly how to make that happen. The first step in any successful YouTube journey is to understand your audience. Are they gamers, foodies, fashion enthusiasts? The more you know about your audience, the better you can tailor your content to their interests. It might seem obvious, but it's worth emphasizing. The better your content, the more likely people are to subscribe. So make sure your videos are high quality, engaging, and unique. Consistency is key in the world of YouTube. Create a schedule and stick to it. This gives your viewers something to look forward to and keeps them coming back for more. This includes using SEO-friendly titles and descriptions, creating eye-catching thumbnails, and categorizing your videos properly. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and show your viewers that you value their input. This helps build a community around your channel, which can significantly boost your subscriber count. Use social media, blogs, and other platforms to get the word out about your channel. The more people who know about your channel, the more potential subscribers you have. Collaboration is a great way to reach new audiences and gain more subscribers. Look for channels that complement yours and reach out to them for collaboration opportunities. This can be a great way to incentivize people to subscribe to your channel. Just make sure the prize is something your audience would be interested in. In summary, gaining 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in just 15 days requires understanding your audience, creating quality content, being consistent, optimizing your channel, engaging with your audience, promoting your channel, collaborating with other YouTubers, and running a contest or giveaway. It might seem like a lot, but with dedication and hard work, you can certainly achieve this goal. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So start today, and before you know it, you'll have a thriving YouTube channel with a growing subscriber base. Happy YouTubing!